Direct replacement. These window crank handle washers, also known as window handle escutcheons, are designed to match the fit and function of the original washers in specified applications. Ideal solution. Designed to help ensure smooth window crank operation and restore proper crank appearance and fit when the original washer is worn, damaged, or missing. Durable construction. These washers are manufactured from quality materials for reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Trusted by professionals, Dorman is a 100-year-old brand used by millions of automotive experts every day. Window crank handle washers, also known as window handle escutcheons, are the washers typically found between the window crank and the interior door panel. Check the product details to ensure you select the correct washer for your application. Top reviews from the United States. Colorblind much? I bought this because it is black. I said to myself, I knew it was me because I recognized my voice and I was wearing my underwear. Self, I know it shows a white set in the picture, but maybe they don't have a picture of the black ones, just a stock photo. Nope. They are white. 3 sets with different sized center holes and a snap-off outer rim in case you need a narrow disc. Other than being the wrong color, they work well.